Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix invisible WhatsApp notification in Moto G75. So let's start the video. First of all, open Control Center, and here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning this do not disturb, then press and hold on your WhatsApp and then click on app info. Now click on notifications, and here you can enable your WhatsApp notifications. If you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, then go back and click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear your WhatsApp storage. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.